All right, so we're finally here, ready to start the ceramic coat. And what I'm using is the Mother's CMX ceramic spray coating. Now, contrary to what it says it's a spray coat, you don't actually spray it onto the car. You're going to spray it onto an applicator and rub it on the car, let it sit for a couple minutes, and buff it off. Of all the spray coatings I looked at, this one has the best reviews. It looks like the directions are pretty straightforward. Mist into a soft microfiber towel or applicator, which I'm using. Gently spread evenly across the surface until it disappears. Allow a few minutes for coating to bond the surfaces. With a separate clean microfiber towel, thoroughly buff surface until perfectly clean and clear. And the 5 through 7 just kind of a for touch-ups or do a second coat. I do plan on doing this coat tonight. I'm not going to drive it to work tomorrow, and then tomorrow night I will do another coat. And then probably Saturday, it's supposed to be nice, I will take the hose to it and see how hydrophobic it is. I should have left a small portion untouched for control, but it is what it is. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do a few panels and film that for you guys. And then following this, I'll do a hydrophobic test and see how it does. All right, so here we go. The very first spot I'm going to try is on the mirror right here. Small little surface. So I'm going to spray some on here. Not really sure how much to spray, but decent amount. There we go. And I'm just going to put it on like I'm waxing it. It does have a very interesting smell. I can't quite put my finger on what it is. Not bad, it's just interesting. And there we go. Let that sit, and then we'll buff it off. Alright, it's been about 3 minutes. Let's go ahead and buff it and see how it looks. Comes off a lot easier than I anticipated. It's very smooth already. Interesting. Definitely much glossier, which is awesome. So yeah, first little test spot, pretty good. Yeah, that looked really good. That's a little chip right there. Probably should have fixed that, but it is what it is. Yeah, so let's get going on the rest of the car. All right, and here we are. First coat of ceramic done. It was much easier than I anticipated. The application process was super simple, and taking it off was awesome, super easy. This car looks so good right now. I would say it looks just as good as the day it came off the assembly line. I'm definitely happy with the result. This took me about hour and 45 minutes. That's with all the prep done, of course, and being ready this evening and just coming in and knocking it out. So once you get to the actual coating process, it's rather quick. So I'm gonna do one more coat tomorrow night, and then Saturday, which it'll be Saturday when you see this, I will do a hydrophobic test, which will be after this portion of the video, and you'll see how it holds up against water, and I'm actually really excited to see that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this process, and any questions, feel free to let me know, and I'm definitely open to ideas, comments, criticism. For my first ceramic job, I think I did a pretty good job. And like I said, one more coat, and then yeah, it's gonna look amazing, I think. Appreciate you guys watching, and I hope you enjoy the next part of this video. Saturday, it is gorgeous, about 75 degrees. I got 2 coats on the car, and we're gonna check out the hydrophobic properties. One disclaimer, the only part of the car I did not do was the front bumper because it's still in bad shape. I polished it twice, but I really want to go over it one more time before I seal that. So that'll look a little different. But the rest of the car has been coated. 95% of it has 2 coats. So yeah, let's go ahead and do a test. You can really see how glossy it is. It's pretty gnarly. All right, I guess I'll just go ahead and start on the fender here and on the hood. And there you have it. That's pretty gnarly. The beads are really round. They're really high off the paint. That's pretty cool. And as you can see, the front bumper, I did not put any ceramic coat, but it is polished very well. So it does have a lot of sheeting properties as well. So I'm curious to see a leaf blower, how well this thing will dry off now. Alright, so here we have a shitty little Black & Decker battery leaf blower. Let's see how effective it is on getting the water off. That is absurdly effective. Holy cow. Alright, that's pretty gnarly. So as long as this is kept up, there's no real need for a chamois. Holy cow. I'm not sure how well it's coming off my camera, but it's pretty rad. So you can see the parts that have been ceramic, the water just comes right off. That's pretty gnarly. That's cool. So yeah, for a quote-unquote spray ceramic, pretty cool. Pretty impressed with it. So, do I recommend it? I do. Hope you guys found this 2-part video informative. Have a good rest of your weekend, guys.